Good morning. I'm back in the field. It is a beautiful day here in North Carolina. And today I'm going on a round robin search. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to photograph, but I am going to photograph something. So come along and enjoy this adventure. My first picture is of a Texas milkweed. This is a common plant here of the southern part of the United States, very common here in North Carolina. It's got these little beautiful pink flowers. It is an incredibly attractive flower. Where it is right now is very unusual. I'm in a very rocky, dry area, and usually these plants like to be in very wet, muddy soil, so it's very rare to be seen here. On top of it, it's underneath these evergreen trees. Very unusual, but I'm excited to see it. It's in really good light. I'm gonna take a picture of this because I think it'd be something that's very attractive. It might be a little bit artsy fartsy, but I think it'd make a good picture. Well, I am shooting straight down on the image. The plant's actually leaning towards me, so I'm kind of shooting straight down at the plant right here. This is giving me, the idea behind this image is that the flowers in focus, the leaves right behind the flowers are going to be in focus, and then the rest of the plant's going to be out of focus. It's very dark behind it, so the flowers kind of pop out with this dark background. I'm really excited about this. This might be something that I do in a square format or something like that. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I'm really excited about the whole idea is to have the flowers in the center of the image here. I am shooting at ISO 100 with an f-stop of 7.1. I want a little bit deeper field of focus. That's giving me a shutter speed about 1 second. So if these images are any good, here they are. Okay, as a YouTuber, my job is to bring you along with me to experience my time out here. And as I was walking through the woods here, I saw an owl fly through the woods here, and I was really excited to see if I could get a photograph of it, but I simply couldn't find it. And then all of a sudden, the light started to come through the trees, and the cobwebs started to glow. And it was something that was just incredible. And I'm trying to videotape myself doing it. I'm trying to take the picture, and in the time it took me to set up, the 3 or 4 minutes to set up, the light was gone. I was going to take a picture right here, and I was so frustrated with that. And all of a sudden I noticed this cobweb here was glowing, which is not glowing anymore. And I took a picture of that, and I was very, very excited about it. I mean, this whole experience lasted maybe 4 or 5 minutes at the most. And it was just incredible. The cobwebs were glowing, and I was trying to find a perfect one to take a picture of. I was trying to videotape myself doing it, and that wasn't working at all. But I was just so excited, and I'm really hoping these images came out as well. As much energy and excitement I put into this photographing these cobwebs, I'm really hoping it came out. So if these images are any good, here they are. video here. It's been extremely tough out here to find something to photograph. Everything is just this green color. It's just tough, but I've had a great time out here, and I think I pushed myself a little bit to be out here and photographing stuff. I had an incredible time out here, and I am so glad I came out here, despite the fact that I didn't take that many pictures. So if you got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Sean Leahy, and thank you for watching.